Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm going to solve this lab. First of all, copy this link in private window. Just open private window, then paste it. Okay. Now simply go to tasks and open Cloud Console in private window. Then click on I understand. Now just click this checkbox. Again continue. Okay. Now go to first link and click on this task one and just click on this assign to me this arrow, and now this tax will showing. Now what you have to do, just go to dashboard and search artifact. Okay, copy this name, go to tax, this, copy this name, artifact registry, and then come over here and go to dashboard and in search word search artifact registry API. Okay, and open it in new tab. Then another thing you have to open, just remove this API and click on this artifact registry, click on this artifact registry. Okay, and go to third tab and check your artifact registry API is enabled or not. If it is not enabled, then click enable, and in my case it is already enabled, so it's showing enable, so no need to do anything. And again go to this page, and then here you have to just click on this plus icon beside this repositories. Click on this plus icon, and then now for name, come over here. Now here you can see create artifact registry name. Just you can see enter the name, container registry. Copy this name, just click on this copy link and it will be copied. You can see clipboard copy the name, then paste it here. Okay, then format will given in step 4. Format will be docker, you can see docker format, and then region will be US central one, and in your case region will be default different regions, so check the region and copy the region, and we have to format in docker. So it will automatically set docker, and if not automatically set docker, then choose docker. Okay, make sure choose docker, then mode will be standard, and for region paste in filter section here region, and region is showing, select this. Okay, now simply scroll down little bit, and no need to change anything. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have to add, next step is step 6. You can see add cleanup policy. So copy the name, this step 7, copy this name, grandfather, and then again come over here and scroll down little bit, and just click on this add a cleanup policy. Click on this and it will be showing like this. Now paste the name, cleanup policy name, and now policy type will be keep most recent version. Select this third option and type the option which are given in tax, and in tax you can see step 8, policy count will be 3 in my case. Okay, so in your case it may be different. You can check and paste it, then click on this done option, and then click on simply create option. Okay, it's done. Now again click on this plus icon, and again go to tasks, and now click on this mark as complete, this below, at the below, just click on this mark as complete and it will showing done. Okay, first task is done. Now second task, click on this again assign to me this arrow, and then again we have to create same thing, just copy this name, and then we have to come over here and paste the name again. Okay, then for region, select the, copy the region, and now format will be in go format, and then it will be go format. Okay, select go, and mode will be as it is. Now region, paste the region in filter section and select the region, then just scroll down little bit and click on this add a cleanup policy. Okay, now copy the policy name, copy this name step 7, and then come over here and then paste it the policy name, and scroll down a little bit. Now policy type will be again third option, keep most recent version, Now key count will be 3. Copy this step 8 from step 8 and paste the count. Now click on this done and click on this create option. Same thing as it is first task. Okay. Now you can see both tasks are done. Now simply come over here and click on this mark as complete, this arrow, and you can see you have done both tasks. Now come over here. Now here you can see there is no check my progress. No need to worry. Just copy the slab name carefully and then just right click on it and new tab. Then open this page, main page level 3. Then click on this handbar icon and click on this explore option. Okay, and right click on this explore option and open it in new tab. And here for your query, just you can see there green tick is yet not showing, so just go to explore section and paste the lab name and open this lab. Just open this lab and here you can see we have done the checkpoints 50. Now click this second task and here you can see we got 100 out of 100. Now simply go to this page level 3 lab page, refresh this page and just scroll down a little bit. Now here you can see it's showing green tick. Okay, now simply end this lab. See you next video. Till then, tata bye bye.